Hi, today I'm gonna be reviewing these air fresheners, diffuser ones, because I'm trying to find out the ones that are lasting longer with a good smell. This one I have here is Madagascan vanilla and patchouli Reed diffuser. So here it is, and they wrote here that it's supposed to last up to 8 weeks. I got it from Primark. I got it for £3. So what actually attracted me in it is the fact that they said it lasts up to 8 weeks, but no, it's not really the case. So this is the empty bottle. I put these up first week of January, exactly 31st of December stroke 1st of January, and as you can see, it's completely gone. It's finished. It's still smelling a little bit, but the bottle is empty. It's not yet up to 8 weeks. It's just 4 weeks and a half, though the smell is still coming out, but it's not as it used to come out when I put it up first. And the smell is good, but I don't really smell the vanilla at all. Generally, it's a good smell. Once I open the door, I perceive it. After a few minutes, I don't perceive the smell anymore. But then I got these ones from Tesco's. Little ones, they sell them for only £1. So I also got these. This one is £7. It's creamy vanilla. So I'm not gonna be testing these today. When I do it, I'm gonna do a review and say how it is. So this is the one I'm gonna be putting on right now. So this is spiced berries and apple Reed diffuser. I am so much looking forward to know and how the experience will be, because one, it's I like the color, the packaging, it's so nice, and I love the combination of the fruit they use, berries and apples. I really love them. I'm gonna open it right now and put it up. So they didn't say how many weeks it is meant to last. It's 30 ml. So I'm gonna try it on, and then I'll get back to tell you how many weeks it lasted and how good it is. So it has the 3 diffuser sticks. And this is the quantity. When I was buying it, one of the customers I met actually said that these little ones, they finish faster, that it's better to get the bigger one. But yeah, I've always been getting the bigger ones. But you can see the one I showed you I got from Primark for £3. It's big bottle, and it specifically said it will last up to 8 weeks, but it didn't last for up to 8 weeks. It lasted for just 4 weeks. So I'm gonna give these little ones a trial and see how long it's gonna last. This is it. Yeah, I put it on and I get back and I let you know how long it lasted. Stay tuned. Now it finished, and I'm just removing it, meaning that it lasted for months. So it actually completely finished last month, but I still left it because I could still perceive the smell. So now I'm taking it all away. It is this spiced berries and apple. We are replacing it with this beautiful Mandarin and Ginger. I got this one from Wilko. I've actually forgotten the price. I'm gonna find out and I will put it in the link in below. So I'm gonna unbox this one and let us see how it smells. So definitely I would say these small ones from Tesco is absolutely nice. The smell is not harsh, so it's so good, so perfect. So this one I'm going to unbox it right now. The packaging is so cool, it's so beautiful. So it's just a quick one, so let's quickly unbox it. Look, there we go. It's so beautiful. So okay, before I use it, I'm gonna read the direction for use. It says remove the cap and plastic insert from the top of the bottle, replace the cap and insert the reeds into the liquid. The reeds will soon begin to draw up the fragrance, diffusing it into the air. For a stronger fragrance, use all reeds supplied. For a lighter, more subtle fragrance, use fewer reeds. After a few weeks, you may notice the fragrance impact reduces. This means the reeds have become saturated. Inverting the reeds every few weeks will revitalize the fragrance diffusion. So the ingredients here is citral, the limonene, and it may produce an allergic skin reaction. That's what they said, that it may produce an allergic skin reaction. So be aware, if you start having any allergic reaction after putting up this diffuser, please remove. So I'm gonna watch out for that. So days, it smells so lovely. So I'm gonna put the whole of the reeds because I just want the smell to come out. They said you can put part. It's actually many reeds. Okay, I'm gonna divide it. It's 10 reeds, so I'm gonna put 5. I'm gonna put 5 of the reeds. So I'm gonna store these ones away. Them. All right, this is it for today. Oh my god, it smells so amazing. I can literally perceive the mandarin and the ginger. So this is subtle and it is nice. So today is 5th of June, so I'm putting up today 5th of June, so we're gonna see how long it's gonna last. So the where I position them, giving the house a little lift, then fragrance and beautifying this section. You see what I mean? Okay, so this is the end of the video today.